Hello everyone, this is Purushottam Vishwakarma, and today we are going to cover 45 most important MCQs on the topic Should Wizard Hit Mommy by John Hoyer Updike. So let's begin the session. Before I start this session, I would like to remind you you have to attempt all these 45 questions before me. I'll provide you some time before answering it. Note it down in your copy, in your notebook, and at the end, tell me how many of your answers you attempted correctly. So let's begin. The very first question that is on your screen: who is the author of the story? Who is the writer of the story? It's very easy, and I hope you all can easily answer it. We have options: John Hoyer Updike, John Donne, William Blake, William Douglas. John Hoyer Updike is our correct answer. Question number 2. What is this story about? ये कहानी किसके बारे में है? What is the story about? Options: world view of a little girl and her curious questions to her father, world view of children, world of wizards, none of these. You have to choose the best suitable option from all these options given. So what is the correct option for us? Option A, world view of a little girl and her curious questions, intelligent questions she raises to her father. Question number 3. How did the wizard help Roger Skunk? रोजर स्कंक की हेल्प उस विजार्ड ने कैसे की? ऑप्शंस: by using magic wand, by chanting, by helping him get rid of foul smell. What is correct option? All the above, all these. He used his magic wand, he chanted abracadabra hocus poo, Roger Skunk, how do you do? Like that. By helping him get rid of foul smell. So, what is our correct option? All these. What did the wizard ask Roger? Wizard ने रोजर से क्या पूछा? What did he want to have? What did he want to eat? What did he want to smell like? None. Option C. Yes. Correct option is what did he want to smell like? And he answered he wanted to smell like what? Roses. Question number 5. How did Joe want the story of Roger Skunk to end? कैसी एंडिंग चाहती थी वो लिटिल गर्ल 4 years की? To punish Roger mother by wizard, to hit her by Roger, to kill her, to beat her by herself. So what is correct option for us? Option A, to punish Roger's mother by wizard. She wanted Roger's mother to be punished because she thought she was wicked and stupid. Question number 6. Who hit whom in the original story? In the original story, who hit whom? किसने किसको मारा? Roger hit his mom. Roger hit the wizard. Wizard hit Roger's mom. Roger's mom hit the wizard. I hope you have answered it correctly. Roger's mom hit the wizard. How? With umbrella. Where? On head. Question number 7. Why does Joe call Roger's mom stupid? Because she doesn't listen, because she is stupid, because of her action that Roger started smelling bad again? None. So what is our correct option? Because of her action that Roger started smelling bad again. Question number 8. Who are the common creatures in the stories of Jack? It's very easy question. I have told you. Option A, Roser, Owl and Wizard. B, Roser, Jack and Owl. C, Joe, Roser and Jack. D, Claire, Roser and Wizard. So what is our correct option? Roser creature, wise old owl, and the tiny little wizard who lives in a white house over the creek. And what is this creek? Creek is a small river. So what is our correct option? A, Roser, owl and wizard. Question number 9. What did Roser want to smell like? We have already discussed marigold, sunflower, jasmine, rose. It's very easy. He wanted to smell like roses. Question number 10. What does Joe call mommy skunk? जो mommy skunk को क्या कहती है? I have just told you. Stupid, clever, dumb, bad. Option A. Yes. Stupid. 11. How could Roger find so many new friends to play happily? पहले तो उसकी बदबू की वजह से वो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ खेल नहीं पाता था. क्या ऐसा हुआ कि उसको ढेर सारे फ्रेंड्स मिलने लगे? A, because of new dishes. B, because of new clothes. C, because of new appearance. D, because of new rosy smell. So what was that? Because of new rosy smell. Next one. Why was Roger's mom angry with him? अब रोजर की मम्मी उस पर नाराज क्यों हुई? Options: because of new rosy smell, because of new dress, because of new appearance, none. Because of new rosy smell. Because of you new smell. Question number 13. Why does Roger's mother not want him to smell like a rose? क्यों नहीं चाहती उसकी मम्मी कि वो रोज की तरह से स्मेल करे? Options: because she did not like it, because she is allergic to it. C, because he is a skunk and he should smell bad. D, none. So according to Roger's mother, what is correct option? Because he is a skunk and he should smell bad. Question number 14 that we have. What did Roger's mother decide finally? Options: to take him back to Awful Wizard and get his smell back, bad smell back. B, to take him with her to get him new smell. None. Very first option, to take him back to the Awful Wizard and get his bad smell back. Question number 15. How does Joe want the wizard to behave with Roger's mother? जो का क्या मानना है, क्या चाहती है कि रोजर की मदर से विजर्ड का बिहेवियर कैसा होना चाहिए? Options: nicely, politely, rudely. And fourth one, she wants the wizard to hit her. वो चाहती है कि विजार्ड रोजर स्कंक की मम्मी को मारे, पीटे. So what is our correct option? She wants the wizard to hit her. Option D. Next one, 16. Why does Joe want the wizard to hit Roger's mother? आखिर ये रोजर की मदर को पिटवाना क्यों चाहती है? Because she speaks rudely, because she behaves rudely, because she doesn't let her son have new smell. क्योंकि वो अपने बेटे की नई स्मेल, रोजी स्मेल बरकरार नहीं रखना चाहती. That is why she wants the wizard to hit Roger's mother. So what is our correct option? because she doesn't let her son new smell. Question number 17. What is the name of Joe's brother? We have options. You can easily answer the question. I hope you know the answer. Roger, Bobby, Tony, Jack. So what is the correct option? Bobby. And how old is Bobby? 2 years. Next one, 18. Why did Roger skunk visit the owl? अब owl को क्यों मिलने जाता है? ये सारी स्टोरीज में लगभग कॉमन है. To be his friend, to talk to him, to learn the art of flying, to seek his advice to solve his problem. So what is our correct option? Option D. To seek his advice to solve his problem. What is his problem? His foul smell. Question number 19. What advice did the owl give to Roger Skunk? A. To visit his friends. B. To think deeply. C. To consult his mother. D. To consult the wizard. So, what is correct option? Every time he suggested only one thing, and that was to consult the wizard. Question number 20. What did the wizard demand to make Roger smell like a rose? क्या डिमांड किया? कितनी पेनीज की डिमांड किया? He demanded how many pennies? 7 pennies. How many? 7. Next question. How many pennies did Roger have? उसके पास थी कितनी? अब ये बड़ी कॉमन सी स्टोरी है और हर स्टोरी में जो विजर्ड है वो हमेशा रोजर से उतने पैसे मांगता जितने कि उसके पास नहीं होते, उससे कोई ज़्यादा. अगर उसके पास 4 होते तो 7 मांगता, 7 होते तो 10 मांगता. सो हाउ मेनी पेनीज डिड रोजर हैव? अब रोजर के पास कितने पैसे थे? 4 पेनीज. और बाकी 3 कहाँ से आएंगे? ही सजेस्टेड इन द सेम ब्रेथ, go to the end of the lane. From there you will see a magic well, make around 3 times, and there you will find the remaining 3 pennies. Question number 22. Where did the wizard suggest Roger to get rest 3 pennies? I just told you. From where? From a tree, from a river, from the ocean, from a magic well. Where from? From a magic well. Now question number 23. The custom of telling stories began when Joe was. How old was Joe when the custom of telling stories began? She was 2 years old when the custom of storytelling began. And now she is how old? 4 years old. What is the problem of Roger Skunk? We have already discussed in the video itself. He smells bad. So, what is his problem? He smells bad. Question number 25. Why did Roger visit the wizard? What was the reason he visited the wizard? To learn magic, to gossip, to get rid of his mother, to seek advice to get rid of foul smell. So, what is our correct option? D. To seek advice to get rid of his foul smell. Question number 26 that we have. Who advised Roger to go to the wizard? His mother, Joe, Jack, Owl. You can easily answer it. Owl advised Roger to go to the wizard. Question number 27. What was Claire doing on the particular day? What was she doing? Painting woodwork, playing chess, writing a notice, dancing. What was she doing? She was painting the woodwork. Next one. Question number 28. What kind of a person is Roger's mother in Joe's opinion? A. Wise. B. Pleasing. C. Wicked and stupid. All these. Wicked and stupid. What a kind of lady she is? Wicked and stupid according to Joe, the little girl. Question number 29. Where does Joe prefer to live? In the world of friends, in the school of swings, in the world of dreams and fantasies? None. Where? In the world of dreams and fantasies. Next one, 30. Why does Joe's father want to punish the wizard? A. As a mature person, he thinks that wizard has tried to interfere with nature, so he must be punished. Because he doesn't like the wizard, he thinks that wizard spoils children. D. None. Option A. Yes. A is the correct option. 31. Why did Roger want to change his smell? Options: because no one liked him, none was ready to play with him, he smelt very bad. So, what is our correct option? Because no one liked him, no one was ready to play with him, he smelt very bad. All these. 32. Why did Mother Skunk want her son to retain his identity? Because she is an adult, has a mature thinking, wanted her son to be accepted as it is. So, what is our correct option? She is an adult, no doubt, has a mature thinking, no doubt, wanted her son to be accepted as it is. All these, yes, all these. If these two options were not there, then we could go at this option. Wanted her son to be accepted as it is. But because all of these given, she is an adult given, has a mature thinking given, then you will choose this option, all these. Now, question number 33. Why does Joe's father have a different opinion from Joe? जो के पिता और उसमें क्या डिफरेंस है ओपिनियंस में? Because Joe is a child, because he has a mature thinking, he has superiority complex. All these. So what is our correct option? All these. Next one. What does Jack feel after telling the story? How is he feeling after the story is finished, especially on Saturday in the afternoon? Relaxed, happy, tired, and perplexed. Yes, option C, tired and perplexed. Question number 35. What arguments did Jack give for Wizard's untidy house? अब विजार्ड का घर बड़ा गंदा था तो क्यों था? क्या आर्गुमेंट्स दिए गए जैक के द्वारा? He did not have a cleaning lady. It is correct. He was old, no doubt. He never cleaned his house, no doubt. That is why there was dust everywhere. So, what is our option? All these. Question number 36. What is the moral of the story? Parents are wise and know what is best for them. Mothers should not interfere in their children's affairs. Mothers are cruel. Children are cute and right. Option A. Parents are wise and know what is best for their children. Question number 37. Who is Joe in the story? Option: a curious 4 years old girl who raises many intelligent questions. A mature girl, a naughty girl, none of these. You can easily answer it. A curious 4 years old girl. 38. When Roger's daddy returned home, they क्या करते थे? जैसे रोजर के डैडी आते थे बोस्टन से, वो क्या करते थे? Have dinner, play games, go out? None. They have dinner. Next one. What does a 4-year-old child symbolize in the story? ये 4 ईयर जो चाइल्ड है किस बात को सिंबलाइज करती है? इनोसेंस, स्मार्टनेस, ऑब्स्टिनेसी, नन. इनोसेंस. She is innocent girl who raises many intelligent questions. Question number 40. What do adults signify in the story? Just opposite. Maturity and experience, wise words, cruelty, indifference. Maturity and experience. 41. Who lived in a little white house? We have already discussed in the video itself. Who lived in a little white house over the creek? Who was that? Wizard. 42. The wizard ended the chant. Question number 42. The wizard ended the chant with what was his last word? Abracadabra, hocus, roses, bingo. So, what was the last word? Bingo. What did mommy skunk take before going to wizard? क्या लेके जाती हैं? किससे मारती हैं विजर्ड के सर पे? She hit the wizard with what? Walking stick, umbrella, hat, nothing. It was umbrella. She took an umbrella before going to the wizard. Now, second last question. I would like to remind you once again. Do tell me in comment section how many of your answers were correct out of these 45 questions. What did the skunk have for dessert? Dessert, a sweet dish, अक्सर खाना खाने के बाद खाई जाती है. क्या खाया उन्होंने? ऑप्शंस: लड्डूज, आइसक्रीम, कैंडी, पाए ओ माई. So what is the dish? Pie o mai. Option D. Now last question in this video. Once again I would like to remind you, do tell me what was your score out of 45 questions. Claire was pregnant. How many months? It's very easy. I hope you have answered it correctly. 6 months pregnant. Claire was 6 months pregnant. Thanks for watching.